Hi, it's me, Crystal from Simply Tidy. Today I'm going to talk about how to organize your medical files and what kind of stuff that you need to keep and what kind of things you can get rid of, as well as some of the other information that goes along with medical stuff. Let's get started. So in your medical files, you could have separate files for everything. So in this first file, I have dental, I have eye care, and I have all the information for my pets. Then in a separate file, I've got medical claims. This is where I put all my explanation of benefits plus my doctor's bills. They both go in there together. I've got the medical booklets that you get sent every year to explain your benefits and things like that. And then also I've got a section for medical evaluations and maybe medical histories. There are a few things that you should keep forever. For one thing, you should keep your mental health evaluations for you or your kids forever so that you have documentation of any difficulties that may arise. You should also keep pet sterilization certificates until your pet is no longer with you. You should keep medical information booklets that, like I was just talking about, until they're expired, and you should also keep your pet vaccination records until they are expired. In your wallet, you should keep all of your donor cards, like if you're donating your body to science or if you're an organ donor or anything like that, that information should be in your wallet. You should also have information about your current doctors and current medications. I have just this little paper that I've laminated and I just keep it in my wallet. It has all the information for all of my doctors, my kids' doctors, my husband's doctors, along with all of our dosages of the medications that we take. Because when you're in a doctor's office and you have to fill out that information, it's nice to have it handy and not have to try and remember all of the, how many milligrams of this, whatever. Also, on the newer iPhones, there is an app where if you're carrying your iPhone and you're in some kind of an emergency situation, the paramedics can access all of your health information that you have stored on your phone, and that way they can give you the proper care that you need if you have special circumstances that they need to be aware of. I don't know if they have an app like this for Android, but you could check and find out. According to WebMD, you should keep a list of the long-term or chronic health problems that you have had. You should keep your immunization records on you. You should keep insurance claims and statements of benefits and payments for up to 5 years unless they're tax related, in which case you keep them for 7 years. Anything older than that, I think it's probably safe to get rid of them. You should keep a copy of your advance directive and living will or your power of attorney. You should keep test results. You should keep family medical history information. You should also keep your medical history, which you can access from your current or past doctors. You should have a history of major health problems, history of childbirths, miscarriages, C-sections, and etc. You should also keep your health and insurance screenings, a list of surgeries, and etc. Well, I hope that the research that I've done on this online has been some help. If you could please like, share, and subscribe, I would appreciate it, and I hope you have a good day.